Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nirajana from Leo Tales, and in today's video I'm going to show you some of my favorite products which I discovered recently. These are all Indian brands. I find them quite effective and very affordable also, and I really think you guys must check out these brands because some of their products are really worth exploring. So let's get started. First in the list is the brand Earth Rhythm. You must have heard about this brand. It was called Soap Works India earlier. So Earth Rhythm is a completely made in India brand. So they have so many products for skin, for hair, unisex products. These are like very effective also. The one thing that really got my attention was their lip and cheek tint in the shade Brandy. This one was gifted by my dear friend Ritu, who's also a blogger. So it's cruelty free, fragrance free, and there is no phthalates. This is a beautiful shade. Right now I have it on my lips and I have it on my cheeks as well. It blends so beautifully. It is suitable for all skin types. The tint is so natural, so comfortable to wear, and it doubles up as cheek tint. I mean, what more can you ask for? You can maybe also try it as a very light eyeshadow as well. I absolutely love this product. It's my staple in my makeup these days. The formula is really nourishing but not greasy, and I absolutely love how it looks on my face. Second brand is Brian and Candy. If you are somebody who shops from Amazon a lot, you must have definitely seen this brand. They have these cute bathtub kits actually. So I got to try a few of their products and I really liked some of them very much. The first one that I really liked is their fragrance mist. It can be like a body mist, or you can even use like a perfume because the fragrance really lasts for a very long time, easily 7 to 8 hours in my case. So the variant that I have here is Urban Desire. It is white musk and neroli. The packaging is so pretty. It is just, you will never feel like throwing away the bottle, and this is a sweet fragrance. It has a musk effect to it. Can be unisex also, something that everyone in the family can use. Not too sweet, not too floral, but a very unique fragrance. The Urban Desire is an amazing fragrance that you can go for. Another product that I liked from their bathtub kit, I tried the rose variant. I really enjoyed using their scrub from that range, but I enjoy the scrub because the fragrance, it's like panini rose, very fresh, and the texture is like, it's so yummy. See, if you apply a little bit of water, that is if you apply the scrub on damp skin, you will require a very little quantity. It makes your skin really soft and smooth. There is no greasy feeling to it. The fragrance is really nice. The packaging itself is so cute. This is the kit actually that I'm talking about. If you're interested, you can check out the entire kit also. Anyway, all the product links will be in the description box. You can check that out. The next brand that you must check out is Shesha Ayurveda. It's a completely Indian brand. It is owned by Ranji, who is a Malayali as well. So this brand has a lot of love from my end because it's Kerala based, it's Ayurvedic based. They have so many products for hair, for skin. They also have Aramula Kannadi. The authentic Aramula mirror is also there. I actually bought one. The one product that really impressed me was their Kumkumadi Thailam. So this is the packaging of Kumkumadi Thailam. It's a 10 ml full size product. And so usually I was of the assumption that Kumkumadi Thailam could be a little heavy for my skin. Mine is acne prone, oily skin, but this one is just the right texture. The color is also so beautiful. See that color? It's a beautiful natural hue and it has a very earthy fragrance. I apply around 4 drops for my entire face and also surrounding my eyes because it can be a good lip oil, it can be good for dark circles, and overall it can be good for your skin also. No breakouts whatsoever. I have really sensitive skin, but I thoroughly enjoy using this one. The next brand that I want to talk about is called Glass Skincare Co. So what I like the most about the brand is it's Cochin based, that is it's Kerala based, and it is run by female entrepreneurs. They are like a set of youngsters who are really into skincare, experimenting a lot. The one product that really got my attention was a Walk in the Forest. It's a cleansing balm. So this Walk in the Forest, it has this nice green color, and the color is kind of naturally obtained. It's not, there is no added color, no sulfate, no paraben, no silicone, and this removes makeup beautifully. At the same time, it will not make your skin oily or greasy. I was always not always, I would say, before I began my skincare journey, I was of the belief that this cleansing balms and oils would be a little too much for my oily acne prone skin, but this one, it didn't cause any breakout or anything. It removed the makeup really well. The massaging aspect itself, made my skin feel better. It's not just a makeup removing product, but it doubles up as a skincare product as well. This one contains tea tree, beeswax, jojoba, French green clay, which gives a color to this one, vitamin E oil, etc. They have another rose variant for all skin types also. So this is one product that you must be checking out from Glassco. Another brand that truly got my attention was Body Gold India. I tried a few of their products, and this is one brand that always gets their fragrance right. Fragrances are just so amazing. I have two products from them which are my absolute favorites. This one is body oil. It is Tantra body oil. It has Mysore sandal. I usually apply it right after my shower. I either mix it with my body lotion or just apply as it is. And every time I wear it, my parents would ask, something is smelling really nice, something so nostalgic. What's this about? Is it agarbatti? It's like, no, it's not agarbatti. It doesn't smell like agarbatti actually. It has that natural Mysore sandalwood, so pure fragrance, and it's a non-sticky oil also. See, I live in Kerala, humid climate, and currently the weather is like 36-38 degrees Celsius. It's really hot, but I still enjoy applying this. You can apply it pre-shower, post-shower, but I prefer post-shower because I do not want to wash this off. The fragrance is so nice. Even after 6 to 7 hours, my skin feels soft and I can get the fragrance. The other favorite product from this brand is their body mist. They do have a few of them, but this one got my attention. It is called Happiness Face and Body Mist with Mukhalat and Panch Pushp. It has 5 flowers which includes Rajnigandha, lotus, there is jasmine and 2 other flowers. Rose is there and then there's 1 more flower is there. And Mukhalat is, it's something like a mix of essential oils which provides that Oriental Arabian perfumery kind of fragrance. This is something that I truly enjoy. It's floral, it's Arabian oud-like. It's a beautiful blend. It has that cooling sensation. I always apply it on my neck, on my body. I do not per se apply it on my face because I enjoy it mostly like a body mist than as a face mist, free of parabens, silicone, sulfates. This is one mist, as I said, if you're a fragrance lover, something that you must be checking out. Another brand I have to talk about is Matisse. I've already spoken about Matisse, so it's a completely Indian brand. Also, it is a no-profit organization and their aim is to empower rural women in Chandigarh, provide them with a livelihood. So many artisans are there. So they have some amazing products, and the one that currently I'm enjoying the most is their Abhyanga body oil. You can see the cork packaging and all that, really cute. So this is a pre-shower body oil. I apply it, I massage it, and I keep it on for like 15 to 20 minutes and I take a shower. If I'm feeling really tired, like if my body is feeling tired or if my muscles are feeling sore, it instantly like vanishes those feelings, and after taking a warm shower, like a shower in warm water or hot water, I feel so good, so relaxed, and it is like my perfect routine prior to sleeping. I usually use it around evening time and I get a really good sleep at night. You can use it at any time, and it contains Manjista, Rasna, Devadaru, Jatamansi, Ushira in sesame oil. The fragrance is classic Ayurvedic formulation. It's not like a fragrance oil, but the way it relaxes me, I can't even begin to tell you. And it is very affordably priced also. That's the best part about this product. So you must check out Matisse. They have so many products. Their pinnies, the edible pinnies, they are so tasty. They have candles, soaps, so many products. You must be checking out Matisse as well. I must also include these natural deodorants from the brand Snana. Snana is again a brand based on Alappuzha. The owner of the brand is Arya Jayarajan. So Snana's deodorants, oh my god, they are so amazing. So right now I have Essence here and Esther, but I also have Enjoy. I have lavender, which I gifted to my cousin. I have musk, which I gifted to my dad. The fragrances are so good, and it won't be a lie if I say the fragrance lasts for more than 18 hours. Right after the shower, I applied usually in my armpits, and the fragrance lasts for easily 18 to 24 hours, or say till my next shower. And that is the best part about these. They do not like per se stop sweating because they are not antiperspirants, but they mask the fragrance really well, and this is a must if you are suffering from body odor. I am telling you, you are going to fall in love with this. I've recommended this to so many people and all of them have loved this. This does not contain aluminium, this does not contain baking soda. It contains arrowroot powder, shea butter, coconut oil, natural essential oils, jojoba, vitamin E, beeswax, cocoa butter, all nourishing ingredients and supremely effective. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All the links will be in the description box, and I hope you guys will benefit from this. Do check out these products. I can vouch for these. They are amazing. So that's it. We will meet again with another video. Until then, take care. Bye.